I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy, a little mischief.
Made way too many mistakes, but Los Angeles is my home. My hometown makes me homesick. Won't go, let's book a round trip. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. Singing like they're trying to make the sun move, and I love it. I'm finally done running, just got my head above the water, learning how to be a better daughter. Don't know how you did it by yourself, raising a whole family without help. Go to find myself and found a way to send me out. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, choosing to no babies. Yeah. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move, and I love it. I'm finally done running. Los Angeles is my home. It took some time, but now I know.
I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy, a little mischief makes fun. You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old days are worth looking back. There's one thing on my mind. In those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved me. Was it all fake love? 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 I remember those eyes, they spark like the stars. I look into them and they spell out a different girl. Baby, tell me, was it all real?